Hello everyone, welcome back to Brainiacs. So moving further in our Python playlist. So today we are gonna use split method. So first of all I've created a new file split.py and here I'm gonna input the list from the user, and here I have used the concept of list comprehension. First of all variable, then for, loop and input. This is the static message, enter the strings. So in this line, I'm going to use the split method like this, dot split parenthesis. What is the role of split method? Basically, it works as an indication. Like when you are entering strings, the character you are giving in this split method will work as an indicator that one string is completed. Now the user is going to enter the next string. For example, in codes, I am giving a comma. All right. And after that, I'm going to print the list. Okay, so I'm going to save it and run it. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the strings. Let it be apple. So after apple, I'm going to put a comma. So here it indicates that one string is completed. Apple is completed. Now I'm going to enter the next string, which is mango. Again comma, then orange, again comma, then grapes. I'm going to enter and you can see orange, mango, grapes, all of them are printed, right? Now, for example, if I run this program again, and here I'm just gonna type A, B, C, D, F, okay? I'm gonna enter. You can see, as it does not encounter any comma, so it took A, B, C, D, F, all of them as a single string. Okay, but instead, if I wrote it like this, A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, then enter, it treated them like individual strings. Because comma here is the indicator that one string is finished and next is going to start. So this was the use of split method. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye. See you soon.